What's up, it's Casey from Caseyscustoms. Some of you might not even know what this project is behind me. I started it almost 2 years ago. This is the Seadoo, and I finally started it for the first time. Let's go! Oh, I am so excited. The Seadoo finally has an appointment with Seadoo. About the only thing I've needed to get this done is the lanyard needs programmed at a Seadoo dealership. I don't have one near me, so I gotta go like 100 miles away or whatever to go get it. The good news is I finally got it scheduled and a tow truck is coming to pick it up. They're gonna take it down for me. They're gonna have it at Seadoo for a while, get everything fixed for me, and then it's coming back. But Seadoo says before it shows up, make sure it has a charged battery so they can get all the electronic shit done. So we're gonna do that right now. I probably showed this before, but it's been a year since I've even worked on this thing. As you can see, the battery's hooked up. Here is my start-stop switch. When I hit it, nothing happens. It's because this lanyard has to be programmed with the computer, I think down in there or something. It has to be done at a Seadoo dealership. The only way to bypass it is like a $500 thing. You have to basically rewire everything with an older wiring kit, which is just a huge pain in the ass I'm obviously not going to do. So I've needed to get this key programmed for over a year. I was going to do it last year and I just got completely swamped, and a toy was the last thing on my list because the shop was blowing up and YouTube was doing really well. So I kind of changed my sights. But this year I said, man, I built this motor from scratch. Basically, everything is brand new on the inside. And I was like, I need to actually get this thing going this year. So I'm really excited to see it go to Seadoo finally. I'll just keep you updated whenever it leaves. It is picked up. Tow truck driver saw it. He started laughing. He said it's like the coolest thing I've ever seen, which was awesome. Hopefully it's gone for a couple days. They're supposed to take it, program the key, double check the electronics. They're going to do the first start because everything's brand new. I just told them, I said, hey, you know, you guys work on these all the time. Can you do the first start for me? They said, that's fine, no problem. We will pick this back up in a couple days whenever it comes back. Hey, so awesome news. It's been about 2 hours since I last recorded anything. The mechanic just called me at Seadoo and he was yelling at me. I said, what the is going on? This guy's freaking out. He said, we don't work on anything customized, blah, blah. I said, well, the engine hasn't been touched. I said, none of that's customized. I said, it's just, you know, it has stuff on the outside. I understand. He's just freaking out. He's like, I can't touch it. I can't even have it in my shop. And I yelled on the phone with this guy for like 20 minutes. My face is still red. And he's like, I can't do anything. And I said, well, I just paid to have it towed down and then back at some point. And he said, I can't do anything. I said, listen, motherfucker. I said, I understand dealerships are about working on stuff. But I said, can you just program the key? I said, I'll go through everything else. I said, I can't do the key at home. It has to be programmed at a dealership. And this motherfucker said, it ain't coming in my shop. I'll work on it on the tow truck. So he went out in the parking lot and programmed the key on the flatbed trailer. I thought it was hilarious. I guess it's coming back now in a couple hours instead of being down there for a couple days. Hopefully they actually program it. After I yelled on the phone at this guy for 20 minutes, I'm sure he's gonna something up. And before anybody says, you know, oh, well, you know, you should tell them what they're getting into. When I booked the appointment 2 months ago, I talked to the service writer for 15 minutes about what the build was. I even think I might have emailed them pictures to show them what they were getting into. They agreed to all of it. They said that's no problem at all. Well, apparently the mechanic didn't receive that message. He's just freaking out. I'll keep you updated. Check it out. The tow truck just left. We got the Seadoo back. They only charged me like 40 bucks, even though I think it's supposed to cost more than that to program a key. But here's the thing. He told me he had to hook the battery up to program the key, and he made a big fit about making sure the battery was charged. It was. I charged it before it even left. He said, okay, I'll take care of it. I'll get it programmed. Well, I just checked under the hood. Check this out. Battery's not even hooked up. I don't know if you can see down there. The battery's not even hooked up. So I don't know if he actually did anything. Moment of truth to see if it works. Nothing. Absolutely. Oh, wait. I'm an idiot. Nothing. Oh! Oh! Do I have spark? Do I have spark? I got spark! Oh shit! Okay. All right, let's put some spark plugs in. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it.
Okay, I started trying to start it, and it was just puffing out smoke everywhere. So before I get it to fire up, I'm gonna aim it outside. We'll see what happens. I think it's gonna start, but I'm not sure. It's turning over and I'm not getting any gas, so I'm gonna try a little bit of starter fluid, see if that doesn't help. The gas has been off, you know, for a year. The gas could also be shit at this point. So we got a lot of factors we got to mess with, but see if we can't start it with some starting fluid. Definitely a little too rich. I can't even explain how happy I am right now. And also, like, my neighbor came over and she was like, where's this been? Because she watched me build it like years ago during COVID. And like I said, it sat, finally got the build done like the end of 2020, and then it just sat all of 2021 because I got busy. And it fucking runs. I do feel like an idiot considering the fact that the whole thing that's been holding this thing up was a $45 key program. I definitely could have got that done last year. I just wanted them to do the first start because I assumed, you know, they'd double check everything. But yeah, I definitely could have just done that. I'm so excited. Obviously, there's more stuff to test before it gets in the water, but we're going to be doing that very, very quick now, obviously, because it is running awesome. The reason it's so smoky is I was trying to look at everything, and they said with the new motor, I don't remember the exact mixture, you know, level, but I want to say it was something high, like 32-to-1 instead of, I think it likes really thin, like maybe 80-to-1 or something. Whatever it was, you damn near double your oil on a new motor just for like the first hour, and then you crank it back down. So I know I got a little too rich, but I think that's what I was told whenever I put this all together. I'm saying I think a lot because I did all this 2 years ago. I barely even remember this fucking motor, but yeah, man. I need to check my water and all that shit. I know I have a drain plug that still needs plugged up. One I made myself. And then obviously these two, these will need to be put in. I need to do a couple things like that. And the next video I have of this thing, I'm gonna be out on the fucking water, and I'm super excited. Last time, I swear. Thank you guys very much for watching. I am so excited to actually hear this thing run. I think I said it earlier in the video, but I mean, this is almost a 2-year build. Granted, I didn't touch it for, 18 months of those 2 years or whatever it was, but I'm so excited that it's ready to go. Actually running so good. I mean, I don't know how much you can hear on camera, but like it's revving. It's a high revving little 720cc motor. Should be plenty fast, should be plenty of fun. In the next video, probably in the next week or two, I'm gonna get it out on the water. We'll see how it does. I don't even know if it's gonna float, but I know it's running, which is pretty awesome. So stay tuned for all that. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff I tell you at the end of videos, and check out some more of my other videos. Peace. Love ya.
Really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you.